Makita nyo yung kutsilyo, napakapalim. Hindi siya makatagos. This is again the IGY6 Defense. If you are looking for a great armor, guys, they have here.
These are everyday carry belts, so they have the ratchet system.
Oh.
So basically, if you carry a gun,
Yeah.
it stays locked in place.
So how can you unlock?
Now, flip it open,
Oh, okay.
and you can fully adjust it. So it doesn't matter if it is too big for you.
Yeah.
Just take that out.
Yeah. You can cut.
Yep. Reinsert the teeth
Yeah.
right there. Locks. We have a fully adjustable everyday carry belt, and it's specifically for when you carry your firearm.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So this is all the same?
Yes, all the same. We actually sold out of our nylon one. It's much tougher.
Yeah.
But this is if you're going to wear a suit or you like leather belts. But if you're carrying a firearm, this is the kind of belt that you want.
Okay. This is the IGY6 Defense. They have, they have also a body armor here. You look at this, guys. This is, I think they test this with the 3006 and it didn't penetrate. Yeah. 3006, right?
30-06 black tip, so armor piercing.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And you have also. So what is this, bro?
You know how, and I'll show you here.
Yeah?
So police officers, this is like what police officers would
Yeah,
do,
yeah.
right? Full body,
Yeah.
level 3A. So this will stop up to a 44 mag. And it's not certified stab proof.
Yeah.
But
Oh, wow.
open it up.
Oh, look at that.
Nothing.
Oh, so you are also protected with when.
It's not official stab proof.
Yeah.
But this will stop your knives.
Oh, okay.
The official stab proof plates, they'll have a basically like a plastic piece that goes inside that vest.
Yeah.
And then that's going to stop your knives. Now, it's like I said, not officially,
Yeah.
but it'll stop your knives.
Oh, this is great. Look at that, guys. It didn't penetrate.
Yeah, when you have it stab proof, it'll be rated.
Yeah.
But these aren't rated for stabbing or for knives. And but we stab the hell out of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Nakita nyo naman, guys, yung kung sinaksak ka nga naman dito sa harap o sa likod is talagang may protection ka. That one. I like that one. Tapos meron din siyang guys, ito, yung mga this is bundle.
Same kind of, it's just in black, same exact one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, same exact, just in black.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is also nice.
Yeah.
Oh, this is already inside? Oh, yeah.
Same exact thing.
You cannot remove this one? No.
You can.
Oh, you can remove?
Yeah, you can unhook it.
Yeah.
Remove it, and if you want to put different kind of mags,
Yeah.
if you have, I don't know, MP5, if you have an AR-10,
Yeah.
you can remove that placard and put in exactly what kind of magazine pouches you want.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very versatile.
You can put handgun magazine if you want.
Anything you want.
Okay.
Anything you want. And it has full molly system, so you can add magazines for your pistol on top of the AR mag pouches. You can do anything to that vest. Anything.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Have a great one.
Yeah.